It says here in the verse that viragya, tatvirya gya, that even though tatvirya gya, Krishna virya, even though Balaram is well aware, fully conversant with the unlimited power of Ajita Krishna, still it is the nature of prema that one worries about his beloved. One worries about his dearly beloved friend or wife or lover or son or daughter. It's the nature of love, even if there's no cause for worrying or disturbance. So this indicates that Balaram is so intense in his love that he's worried. So we worry about our spiritual masters traveling here and there around the world, going to Muslim countries and dangerous countries. We may get arrested or shot or whatever for preaching Krishna Bhakti. We're worried. Is Gurudev all right? Although we know that Krishna is protecting him. Konteya pratijanihi name bhakti pranashiti. That Krishna, Arjuna declares loudly in Kurukshetra battle that, listen everyone, Krishna's bhakti is never defeated or vanquished. Krishna is always there for the devotee. Krishna is always there before the devotee and besides the devotee and behind the devotee. And Krishna is always there within the devotee, protecting his mind from deviation and protecting his mind from false attractions and protecting his mind from wrong contemplations. And he's also without. Bahir Nishingho Hridaye Nishingho. Bahir Nishingho Hridaye Nishingho. Namaste Narasringhaya Prahlada Dayane Hiranya Kashipu Vakshaha Shilatankana Kalaye Ito Nishingho Parato Nishingho Yato Yamitato Nishingho Bahir Nishingho Hridaye Nishingho Nishringhamadim Sharanam Prapande. I surrender to the shelter of Krishna. Krishna is my only Raki. Keval Krishna Raki, or Raki Ne, no other protection. Well, there's no reason to worry about the pure devotee, or the Lord, or his associates, or parishads, because the Lord is always there for them, protecting them, and always in their hearts. Saranam Hridayam Mayam, Saranam Hridayam Tvam. But still, love has its ways of moving.